Hi, my name's Gaz the Mini Cream Pump, and this week I found an incredibly cheap deal on a portal to my childhood. Let's take a look inside.
Heroquest. Deep inside another dimension, face battling barbarians and evil magic on a quest for adventure in a maze of monsters. This is Heroquest.
Heroquest is a really important part of my childhood. It was my first introduction to the concept of miniatures and miniature painting. I had a set when I was younger, but as you do when you're a kid, you don't really look after things, and one of the things I really regret is not looking after my copy of Heroquest. I've got bits of the models, but they're usually all broken at the ankles, painted badly with too much paint, so I was really excited when I saw this box for sale on a small UK auction site. Now this site doesn't sell a lot of model stuff. I've seen some bits of Warhammer on there. They mainly deal with electrical returns and clothing and stuff like that, so I was really surprised when I saw this listed on here. The website is not super good on descriptions, but I had a little look at the pictures and it seemed to be quite a decent copy. I have had a little peek inside because obviously I could not contain myself. So I've seen a few things in here that are quite exciting, but I've not really been through it and to see exactly how much of everything's there. So let's have a little look inside. So there's a bit of wear on the box, which you would expect for something from 1989, but all in all, pretty good. That's an instant wave of nostalgia, the fact that they put all the build instructions on the inside of the box. So the board is just a little, there's a little wear on the corners, and it's just a little bowed in the middle here, which I can probably sort out, but otherwise that's good. Now the thing I saw in here that was really exciting when I opened it, which I did not expect, is that it has not just the original quest book, but the Keller's Keep and the Return of the Witch Lord quest books as well, which hopefully, if it's got the models in here as well, that's 2 full expansions, hopefully. So let's see. We've got the evil wizard screen. That is in decent nick. This is a bit, it's not quite ripped, but I'm going to have to be careful with that I don't rip it anymore. But how cool is that artwork? Oh, childhood. Right. Okay. So we have all 4 heroes, which is wonderful. A little bit of bending on the swords, but overall very good nick. I'm going to move the box out of the way so I can go through the box contents properly. Right, I can get them on the desk. So we've got the rule book, which is good. So this has the contents. So we should have 4 heroes, 31 monsters. there we go. So yeah, that is all the miniatures from the original release. Like I say, there are more in the box, so I think the first 2 quest packs just came with, one had more of the white sprue stuff, the undead stuff, and I think the other one had more of the green sprue stuff, the orcs, goblins, etc. So with more of them being in the box, that's a good sign for our quest packs hopefully being complete. Right. Okay. Furniture. The throne looks a bit odd. Is that a bit of a... Is that a bit of a misprint? Or is that just... Is that just how it was? See how the cushion bits are kind of off to the side. Uh-oh, there we go. Signs of our first breakage. That appears to be an orc hand. So we've got at least one broken model in there, but so far that's not too bad at all. So the card slot in there looks pretty chock full. But I'll go through those in a moment. In fact, I'm just going to get everything laid out, and then we'll see where we are from there. Okay. So based on this list here, I'll look at the cards in a minute because, as you can see, I'm running out of space. But we've got the 35 Citadel miniatures, so that's 8 orcs, 6 goblins, 3 Fimir, 4 Chaos Warriors, 4 Skellies, 2 zombies, 2 mummies, Gargoyle, Chaos Sorcerer, Wizard, Elf, Dwarf, Barbarian. The quest book, got the quest book as well, and the game board, the DM screen, 15 pieces of furniture, 2 tables, 1 throne, 1 alchemist's bench, 3 treasure chests, 1 tomb, 1 sorcerer's table. Now I don't know, I'm going to assume this had a card insert. In fact, yeah, it's got the notches in there. The card insert for this seems to be missing, unfortunately. 2 bookcases, 1 rack, 1 fireplace, 1 weapons rack, and a cupboard. Excellent. All the tokens are there. Where's me? I've seen the stair tile. Ah, yeah. I missed the important one, the stair tile. Character boards. We've got all the character boards here. All 4 again with that awesome artwork. pad of character sheets. Even some of the previous owners' characters. I'm especially fond of Tom the Barbarian. I don't know where Tom the Barbarian is now, but I want to thank him for, and all his companions, for looking after this set, because it seems in pretty good nick. 4 special combat dice and 2 standard dice. It looks like there's only 1 die in here, and it doesn't look like the one that came with it originally. We're missing 1 door, open doors, but everything else is here, which is amazing. So in the end I paid, the final bid was £22, £23. Be careful on this auction site though, because I knew this going in anyway, but if you are bidding on there, it does say bids don't include auction fees. So although the final bid on this was £23, with delivery and auction fees, it actually ended up being closer to £43, which is still an absolute bargain for what I've managed to get my hands on here. But wait, there's more. I'm going to clear all this back into the box and go through the cards and also the expansions. I don't know what the contents of the other expansions should be, so I'm going to look them up and see if we've got everything for those as well. So let's pack this away. Okay, cards wise, we're looking pretty good. 3 earth spells, 3 water spells, 3 air spells, 3 fire spells, including
Fire of Wrath,
quest treasures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good. 26 treasure cards and 14 equipment cards, and cards for all 8 of the monsters. Oh, equipment cards, of course, containing the
Broadsword.
So yeah, all the cards appear to be there. Man, this is such a lucky find. So there's still more stuff in the box, which I assume is from the quest pack / expansions, Keller's Keep and Return of the Witch Lord. Now I don't think this comes with. This doesn't come with a box contents for what should be in these boxes, so I'm gonna have to go and have a quick Google to see what should be in here, just to see whether it is all in here. Either way, even if it turns out not to have the full 2 extra expansions, the fact that it's got the, bar a few minor pieces, the entire first box set is just amazing. I'm so giddy about this. So let's pack this away and let's see what we've got from the 2 quest packs. Okay, fantastic news. I can't quite believe it, but all the models for both of these sets are here, and all the bits of card and furniture. The only thing, actually I don't think it came with extra door slots, so I think you're just supposed to put these in the old ones. I thought they might be missing, but I don't think it came with those. I think we might be missing 1 secret door, but that's easy to make up. Or are we? Oh no, no we're not. No we're not. No we're not. There's more. So in the whole set, looks like everything's complete, which for what I paid for it is just unbelievable. My plan with this is to treasure it and look after it like I did in my original copy. This is our one casualty in the box. This one lone orc who just needs his hand gluing back on, but other than that, this whole thing is in incredible condition. Heroquest and the first two expansions or quest packs, all included and complete. I'm pretty blown away by the condition this is in and the price I paid for it. I'm aware I've been really privileged in finding this. I can't wait to get to painting everything. I'm probably going to start that right away, and I can't wait to get my friends together and party like it's 1989. Thanks so much for joining me. Thanks to Tom the Barbarian and his friends for looking after this set. I hope they got as much enjoyment out of it as I did. I'll hopefully be uploading more videos again now, but I'm not putting pressure on myself. So until next time, thanks for watching, take care, see you later, bye.